Franci a botiful kuntrito visifor mani reazon, nous the list of ishigorju church, are the top 10 tuné. Ritan bignard d'achefort public domain pur poson lien France, ter a botiful church arun every corner. Ishayon unique flar, from distinctive architectural style to astundings teneglas windows. Iwul belovlito visite malé, but mujlik franchise, ter arfar tumanito explore during gone trip. You've go to be selective, but luckily, tano to difficult todo. Ter armani churchin France da arwor famu forter boti, and de tebelon au most every travelé bucket list. Paral diamant cool d'un prix de fort illig buti cuse darkness of liflicta franche castoedingilicta imi vidéo i impressive pislik char en subscribor mail me, on y ardache 081@gmil.com. 1 Rouen cathédrale boasting tout unique beltowe built du ring differ century and dans en ormou, Castiron spire, Rouen cathédrale ion of the most distinctive gothic cathedral in France. Iwa amuse of the impressionniste Claude Monet, au crité mani painting of the church du ring, differ times and seasonal condition. Numéro famu figure arburie with anti cathédrale, but pera the most famouton ita of Richard the Lionirir, i corporil romain à Fontevraud abbé. Drougui history, Rouen cathédrale à bandamagebi everything from firto warto à cyclone, buti alwe restoreto i forme glory, en intrinsique part of France history. 2 La basilique, Notre-Dame de Fourvière-et-Chaucasine a unique romanesque and byzantine design, la basilique Notre-Dame de Fourvière à Becaume, a symbol of the city of Lyon. I perché ato a ian divisible from many differ part of the city, looming above the roof to lika wat towe. Botiful mural and steneglas decorati intérieur, and the unique chapairne is the nickname the upside down elephant. Whitfour, cylindélique we rising from I corner, I de look a bitlik en ouverturne animal, albe avery grass fulon. Roi Chartres cathédralique most church, the two spire of Chartres cathédrale boast entirely differ design. On, built in the 12th century, I a pyramid, and the OT, a more ornate flamboyant spire, waade in the 16th century ato en oldetowe, rising 28 fig étant the first pointeuse asymmetrical spire give the cathedral a distinctive flar, but juste à impressivar the church en ormus teneglas windows, I charmad possible by the film butres, on the building exterior ta allo fort in ewaland moroin d'ospas. The churchium at unique taiseto, have ban worn by the Virgin Mary, ish de Romani pilgrim evriir. 4 Basilica of Sacré-Cœur Silica Centri ato Montmartre, the Igesti in Paris. Désigné in the Romano-Byzantine style, I en ormu it dome rush towards the Scilicalve oignon, very elegant oignon, and givan I elevate position, I unique chapi visible from Mostani Negboru in the city. Relaté, Dijo dropingli botiful church aussi around the world of ring above the apse of the cathedral a colorful mural depicting Christ, and visitor camp à Santo the top of a dome for expansive view across the rooftop of Paris. Consecraté in 1919, history is relatively short compared to some France mort en 6 cathédrales, but it remains one of the most popular destinations in Paris. 5 Notre-Dame de Parisa à Egoff 226 fi, Notre-Dame l'homme large au the île de la Cité in Paris, Andy cast juste à long, à shadow of the annal of history. Construction on the cathédrale began in the 12th century, Andy design ilode a prime exemple of French Gothic architecture. Fin buttress support the wall of the church, extending from Isidlik Schulde, and visitor with fin ornate sculpture adorning stonework. On the interior, en ormo rose windows allo Saint-Ligto filte across the darkening nave, critingan et tri l'atmosphère ta encourage qui est réflexion. In 2019, the church was severely damaged by a fire, and the numero architectural firm pu forward for a new design, on office suggested putting a swimming pool on top. However, after much discussion, it was decided that Notre-Dame will be rebuilt exactly as it appeared before, allowing historic architecture to remain on the front stage in Paris Sancy Center. 6 Strasbourg Cathedral visible from across the border in Germany, Strasbourg Cathedral boast one of the tallest church spire in the world. Built in the Middle Age, Iris 466 Fiento the Air, Defining the Skilling of Stradbourg and the Surrounding Country. Relatait, Die Kirche to visita Lucoterror lial to Gothic Style Mirror ta of Mani o te Church in France, ti Cathedral Madunic by the Stone from Ishi built, Ishlan a Pincuto the Building. Within the Church, visitor can admire Steneglas and Dornat sculpture, a well a one of the largest astronomical clock in the world. 7 Notre-Dame de la Garde. Notre-Dame de la Garde, a masterpiece of neo-Byzantine architecture perché at the highest point in Marseille. Cronin the Church built away, a gold plate statue of the Madonna and Shield, and with an igual, golden mosaic adorn the dome, each Santo glow in the dimanche lighting of the nave. Striped away and dark way add a vibrancy to the design of the church, and beneath floorly a crypt built in the Romanesque style. Visitor to the church will be rewarded with panoramic view across Marseille. 8 The Abbey à Mont-Saint-Michel located in the tiny island of le Mont-Saint-Michel in northwestern France, Tifamo Abbey away above the Tonote building, perfectly representing the feudal hierarchy of the Middle Age during Ishiwa built. As the Pikigo and the Abbey, with the store and dozing of residents standing beneath. Relatait, the strange thing you didn't know you could see in France. Construction upon the Abbey began around 1,000 years ago, and the Gothic style shocked beautiful stonework and open air cloisters. With tide sweeping in every day to surround the island, Titon and the Abbey were rightly defensible and with to attack by the English during the Hundred Year War. Nowadays, a causeway connects the town with Mal en France, allowing visitors to more easily breach a well-fortified wall. 9 Saint-Chapelle 15 honor stained glass window cover the wall of Saint-Chapelle, and walking beneath their pan can feel like wandering through a song of color. The effect is particularly strong during sunset, and the league bring lift to the biblical sun depicted on the window. Built nearly 800 years ago, the chapel was designed in the Gothic style and the King Louis IX of France collection of Passion relic. It was part of the residency of the King of France, and to today, it remains a historic symbol of the country, with countless tourists visiting on an annual basis. 10 Saint-Michel des Guilles located at a volcanic plus, ti en 6 chapelle quand on libere chez climbing 268. OV, a visito Saint-Michel des Guilles well worth a bit of exertion. Built in the year 969, ti churchilica portal through the century, taking visitor back in time to the Middle Age. Stained glass and colorful fresque decorate the interior of the chapel, with column rising through a room to support the ceiling above. After exploring the church, visitor can see outside d'enjoie expansive view over le puits en velay. Standing at a rock formation far above the town below, easy to understand he was chosen, a religious so many hundred of Irago. Indi, sacré history Beugin les vents before the chapel construction, with the roman, au built à Dolmenati site in dedication to Mercury.